Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. And in my previous video I tell you guys that I'm going to teach you how can you keep your slippers from slipping, because of this yarn. If you're going to wear this, obviously they are super slippy. Okay, there are two options I have. The first option is you can go ahead and attach this extra sole with your slipper. Okay, or the second thing, which is my favorite, is hot glue gun. As you can see, I have made the pattern right here and here with the hot glue gun. Okay, so keep your slipper ready. You can add anything like any cardboard or anything inside, and then you're going to apply the glue. Okay, so this is super easy tip for you to make it anti-slip. And I'm going to mark straight lines, 10 lines, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then I'm going to give a little bit gap in between, and towards the toe side I'm going to mark 5 lines like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we are going to wait till it's get dry. And now you can wear your slippers easily, because now they will not slip at all. Okay, so I have shared with you two different options. One is the hot glue gun option, and the second one was you can go ahead and attach this the separate sole with this shoe. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone, take care, bye.